Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of The News. I have been absent for the last couple of weeks because my wife and I had a baby. She's adorable. I love her to death. So, without further ado, let's just get right into this. And yes, before we do get started, this is an S650 Mustang with 4,000 Christmas lights on it. It took me 6.5 hours to do with another person, and it looks fantastic. But we're not here for that. We're here for the news. So let's get into it. Starting things off, it looks like the 2024 Raptor is going to have a boost in horsepower. So the Raptor R is going to have 720 horsepower. That's 20 horsepower up from the previous model, which had 700 horsepower and 640 foot-pounds of torque. That's great for numbers, obviously. These things are starting to get into their last kind of hurrah. It's kind of neat to see as well, because really they're just trying to make these things as efficient and as powerful as possible before we go fully electric. Now, Canada just recently announced that in 2035, every new vehicle sold has to be fully electric, which is very interesting. But this is for right now. Let's take a 720 horsepower F-150 out and have fun with it while we can. Ford also announced that they are going to be continuing with the Raptor and the Mustang into 2028. So after 2028, we're going to see something a little bit different, whether that's a hybrid powertrain, whether that is a fully electric Mustang. We don't know, but it gives them, obviously, plenty of time to come up with something, and I'm sure they will come up with something fantastic. So, let us know what you think about the 2024 F-150 Raptor R having a bump in horsepower. It's great to see, and obviously let us know what you think about Canada going full electric by 2035. Moving up next on the list, it looks like Ford has released the Recaro bucket seat that you can buy aftermarket for your Mustang. Now, this seat is absolutely gorgeous. I love the white trim, I love the Ford Performance logo, and I love the little stitches of red. It looks fantastic. This just, of course, adds to the plethora of stuff that you can already get for this new Mustang, and obviously over the next couple of years that list is just going to grow exponentially. We're excited to see what people do with it. There's already superchargers, there's already turbocharged kits. Now you can buy a Recaro bucket seat directly from Ford, and obviously it looks fantastic. Let us know down in the comments what you think about this Recaro bucket seat from Ford Performance. And last but not least, in one of the previous videos that I did, I talked about M Sport, the company that takes a Fiesta and turns it into a rally beast. They have gotten their hands on a Ranger, and it looks like they have given the M Sport workover on it. So it looks like this is going to be competing in the Dakar 2024 rally, which is an insanely grueling and hardcore race in which you drive with no navigation. You just need to use the old eyes and map method. So this thing is absolutely a force to be reckoned with. It looks fantastic. I think they should sell these for the road. I think they should take every motorsport version of a car and they should sell it for the road, because there is people out there that would get it. So let us know down in the comments what you think about this Ranger that is going to be competing in the Dakar Rally in 2024, made by M Sport. This is a quick one. Obviously, it is the holiday season, and we are super excited to end the year in a bang. So if you guys have any ideas on what we should wrap next with 4,000 Christmas lights, let us know. This was tedious, but it was a lot of fun to do. So we're looking forward to next year. We're looking forward to the new year. 2024 is going to be a big year for everybody. So here's to all of you. Have an absolutely amazing holiday season, and we will see you next week. Thanks for watching.